we've been hosting these summits on the cosmetics and the beauty industry for 5 years. The Sustainable Cosmetics Summit was launched 3 years ago, and now we're running this in different parts of the world, which include Europe, North America, Asia Pacific, and now Latin America. I think two of the major areas that we see are very interesting are green formulations, because everyone's talking about natural and organic personal care, but to actually develop natural organic personal care products effectively, you really need to get the right formulations. You've got to get the right ingredients, the right processes. So that's something that we're covering quite a lot in this summit. We've got half a day devoted to that. We've got one workshop devoted for that. And then the second area is sustainable packaging. The highest environmental footprint of a beauty product is actually the packaging. It's not the product itself. And not many companies are really addressing that. So what we're doing is we're going to look at that a little bit more intensively in this summit. We've got a half a day session and we've got a workshop devoted to that to see how companies can make their packaging more greener or environmentally friendly. One of the great things I'd like to see from this summit, or what I've seen from previous summits, is inspiration. I think it's very important for everyone who comes to our summit to become inspired, to think that they can make a little change, whether it's their formulation, whether it's their packaging, whether it's some social cause that they're supporting, or whether it's they're supporting some fair trade community or helping some local community. I like to think everyone who comes to our summit is going to think of something positive that they can do, either in the environment or in terms of social impact. So that's the one great takeaway I would like for everyone who comes. And I wouldn't like companies to think that these initiatives are only for big companies, they're for small companies, they're for ingredient companies, they're for NGOs, they're for everyone. I think we've covered the major territories worldwide with our summit, but what we'd like to see is sustainability should not be just an issue for companies in North America and in Europe. Sustainability affects everyone on the planet, and what we hope to do with the summit by taking it to different parts of the world is to raise awareness of these issues and to make sure that companies across the world are looking at sustainability more seriously. So it should not be just the American companies and European companies leading, it should be the Asian companies, Latin American companies, African companies, etc. We've been very happy with this third edition of our Sustainable Cosmetics Summit in North America. We've had about 160 to 170 delegates coming over this 3-day period, and the feedback we've got at the moment is very positive, and we hope to continue to promote sustainability in the beauty industry through the summit.